waist taken around the smallest part of the waist, just above the hip bone. So this is the waist 25. Next is the rise. So taken rise or the crotch, taken from the waist down to the crotch. So this is the rise from the waist down to the crotch. 9. Okay, this is the length of the trouser. Length of the trouser. Length of the trouser. This measurement is taken at the side of the waist down to the desired length of the pants or the trouser. So this is the length of the trouser or the pants. From the waist down to the desired length of the pants or the trouser. So 35. Next is the hip. So this is the hip taking around the fullest part of the hip. Fullest part of the body. So this is the hip. Okay. Width of knee. The width of knee measured around the exact location of the knee. Where is the exact location of the knee? Or from the back crease line to the front crease line at the knee line of the pants. So this is the knee. Okay, knee. Next, width of bottom. So the same procedure taking body. So the width of bottom. So this is the width of bottom. The same procedure in taking the knee width. So this is the measurement of the width of the bottom. Width of the bottom 13.